Today we are going to talk about a man who was nominated 84 times for the Nobel Prize. But he never won any. His name was Arnold Johannes Wilhelm Sommerfeld. He was nominated for the Nobel Prize 84 times. You might not have heard his name. But he was one of the most influential people in the history of science. He holds the record for the most number of nominations for the Nobel Prize. So what were his contributions? And why didn't he win any of them? This is the story of one of the greatest yet an unpopular man in the history. Arnold Sommerfeld was a German physicist. Without his help, many scientific discoveries wouldn't have been possible. Sommerfeld was born in 1868 in Königsberg. He was interested in math, physics and philosophy from the start. But he was equally good in all subjects including classical languages and literature. During his time, Sommerfeld worked with many distinguished scientists. He was an expert in solving the problems of mathematics and physics. His contributions were enormous. From thermal conduction to magnetic waves, electron motion, theory of relativity, and quantum physics. When he worked as Felix Klein's assistant, he helped him complete the mathematical theory of diffraction. He and Klein wrote the theory of gyroscopes together. Felix Klein received all the spotlight, but Sommerfeld's name was not mentioned much. Soon Sommerfeld became a lecturer. He was an excellent teacher. 7 of his students went on to win the Nobel Prize. But Sommerfeld never won the prize for himself. Soon he was appointed to the chair of applied mechanics at Aachen. He developed the theory of hydrodynamics there. Soon Sommerfeld got in touch with Albert Einstein. Einstein's theory of relativity was not accepted by other scientists back then. But Sommerfeld was one of the few people who believed in it. Sommerfeld's mathematical contribution to the theory of relativity made it popular. Sommerfeld was the one who proved that X-rays were waves. He made many other scientific contributions. Because of that, he was nominated for the Nobel Prize for a record number of 84 times. But he never won the award. The main reason was that Sommerfeld mostly worked as the second wheel. He helped other scientists to prove their theories and experiments. But he was never in the spotlight. On top of that, Sommerfeld was not liked by physicist Carl Orsine. Carl was a member of the Nobel Prize Committee, and he always voted against Sommerfeld. It is gradually becoming a public scandal that I have still not received the prize. Finally, in 1949, Sommerfeld's contributions were recognized when he received the Ørsted Medal for contributions to physics. According to him, it was the greatest and best moment of his life. But Sommerfeld always wished to win the Nobel Prize. But sadly, he never won it.